In this video, I will show you how to crop an image in Photoshop Elements. This skill will help you to trim the JPEG to an area of your choice. In the second part of the video, I will show you how to remove any extra small bits that are included within the cropped part of the image, like spots, blemishes, or other unwanted objects. If you want to follow along with me, you will find links to the images shown in this video in the description below. You can freely download these and use them for any purpose. Within the Photoshop Elements, I am in Advanced mode, previously called an Expert mode. To open a file in Photoshop Elements, just drag and drop an image onto the main gray window area. I have Tools panel on the left and Layers panel on the right. If you do not see these panels, then go to Window and click on Tools. Then go again and click on Layers. And your screen will look like mine. To crop or trim part of the image in Photoshop Elements, go to Tools panel. Under Modify, find an icon that looks like two L's joined together into a square and click on it. As you can see immediately after clicking, Crop Tool will allow you to choose an area of an image that you actually want to keep. So the rest of the image will be deleted. But not to worry, you can always go back using Ctrl and Z to reverse any accidental cropping. Alternatively, if you go to Edit, click on Undo, right now it's grayed out. So as you see, Ctrl plus Z or Edit, Undo, and you'll get back to the previous stage. To trim the image, just hold the mouse and draw a rectangle around an area you want to crop. We've got a rectangle around the insect that is on the bottom part of the image. By holding the mouse button, you can draw and extend the area to your choice. And once you are happy with your selection, drop the button. And now, here we can actually do further adjustments. So as you can see, I don't want any of the sketches. I only want the insect to be in my crop. And if you're happy, just click on the tick just to approve it. Now our image is cropped. So just to zoom in, hold Ctrl and click on plus a few times. As you can easily notice, we still have some things here that we do not need. So let's say that you want to create a collage, or you're working on a scrapbook page and you do not want to get any letters or any extra fluff or any extra lines that appear in here, and you do not want that on your scrapbook page. And Crop Tool will not remove that for you. So what we can do is to move up on the Tools panel to under Enhance. There is a tool called Spot Healing Brush Tool that looks like an eraser with a dashed semicircle. And initially, what Spot Healing Brush Tool does in Photoshop Elements, it uses content-aware technology to automatically sample surrounding pixels in the image. It then blends these sampled pixels to match the texture, lighting, transparency, and shading of the area being healed. Pretty much this process ensures that the corrected area seamlessly integrates with the rest of the image. So once you click, at the bottom of the page we have an extra panel that allows us to further customize Spot Healing Brush Tool. Here we can do a lot of different things, but for our purpose, all you need to do is to change the brush size. And we can do it in few ways. To remove those objects from around the insect, the ones that the numbering and those lines, set the brush to 13 or 15 pixels just by moving the slider to the right to increase the value or to the left to decrease it. Alternatively, to set the brush size, you can always type in the number. So let's say that we want 15. I'm just gonna type in 15. Faster way to increase the brush size is to type the close square bracket on your keyboard. It goes in a 5 pixel increments. To decrease it, just click on the open square bracket. And we're back on 15. So with the brush size of 15 pixels, let's move on to the image and clean it up a bit. I want to remove all the numbers and extras that are around the insect. Click the left mouse button and paint over it. Most of the time, especially if there are smaller objects, they will be removed quickly. After the first time, on occasion, you will click like this line here. You will click and something will reappear. So the trick is just to click again and again, and pretty much you will get, after a few clicks, you will clear everything. You can clean your images from blemishes and any small unwanted objects. With larger objects, it might be tricky to do, and also you will have to combine spot healing brush tool with other retouching tools, and more on that in the future videos. Thank you for watching.